Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to our new widget tutorial video. This time we'll talk about the Scott List widget. Scott List help you navigate the future post with basic info and counter with an amazing animation style. Ultimate Post Kit surely did a good job designing this widget. It helps improving overall blogging experience for the readers. Let's see how to use it. First, drag the Scott List widget into the page. You can see the brilliant widget interface and the awesome hover effect as you move your cursor on it. Both titles and tags got these hover effects by default. The layout section has a bunch of switchers and some other settings. You can turn off the post category and see how the post would look like. Initially, the comments are off, and you can turn it on with the switcher. Also, you can put any character for the separator. After that, you will see the button for showing post date. Right below, the human different time switcher displays the post published date in real time. Change the image size for better display. You can still show pagination, which is normally off. Let's keep it that way. Scott List comes with our new query control that we have recently introduced to you. You can change the number of posts on the display. With the include/exclude option, you can select the terms or author and specify the display elements. For the include option, let's choose terms and type in the business category. You can see the changes instantly on the display. To show you how the exclude option works, just go with the manual selection and select a post title that you want to exclude from the display. Just like that, it works. You can also arrange the posts according to date and order. Lastly, you may ignore sticky posts as well as turn on the last button to show the posts with only feature images. Moving on to the Style tab, you can set the border with custom content padding from the first section. Next, the title section comes with 4 different title styles. Select one. And go for the color options. Change into a deeper orange hover color. The category section lets you change the category tag color. There are also border options right below. You can also customize the font from the typography option. There is a hover effect that lets you add colors for hover. Lastly, the image section lets you customize the image properties. On top, is the overlay color option. You can pick any color for the image overlay. The border options are right below. Just pick a border style, adjust the border width, and change the color. That's how you just created an awesome post layout using the Scott List widget. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.